Hello and welcome to another QSM tutorial. In this video, we will be creating a quiz using the QSM plugin with the Learndash system. Learndash, being a learning management system, often makes quiz making difficult, so the best option is to use QSM Quizzes and use it with Learndash. Let's begin. For this tutorial, we will be creating a fitness quiz using a WordPress disposable website by InstaWP. To learn how to create an InstaWP website, click on the banner in the top right corner of the screen. Once the website has been created, we go to Add a new plugin and search for QSM. Install the plugin for this website. Make sure that Learndash has already been installed on your WordPress website. Once installed, activate the QSM plugin to create quizzes and surveys. Now we go to the Learndash Quizzes menu and create a new quiz. As you can see, we can add a quiz title here, and we are choosing it to be simply Fitness Quiz, and then we publish this page. Once it has been published, hover back to the Quizzes menu and look for the QSM Quiz and Survey dashboard. Add a new QSM quiz using different themes and add-ons by QSM. Configure your quiz name, form type, grading system, timer limits, question per page limits, and other options, and create your quiz. Now we will add questions to our fitness quiz. Firstly, we will add a simple question like which one of these exercises is effective for weight loss, and add answer options for this multiple choice question. And we will also describe the points for different answers, or just the correct answer option. Similarly, we will create another question for the fitness quiz, which could be what does HIIT stand for? For this, we will be adding some tricky answer options that are not very different from each other to confuse the quiz takers and test their knowledge. You can also import questions from other quizzes as we are doing here. We are taking different questions from other quizzes and importing them into our fitness quiz. As you can see, all the questions with their information and configuration have been added. And we will now jump to the Contacts tab. Here we can add contact labels like name and email for our contact form, and we save this form for the quiz. Next, we will go to the Text tab and create a display page message for our quiz. Make sure to save this message. The important step is to configure the Results tab. You can use QSM template variables in the results pages, and make sure to save the results pages after you configure them. The last step is to configure the Style tab. We are using the Fortune theme, and we can completely customize it according to the look and feel of your website. Here we are going with default settings. If you wish to add a featured image to this quiz, you can select or upload an image and just click on Set Featured Image and save it. Now you can publish your quiz. Next, hover back to the Quizzes menu of Learndash and select the fitness quiz page that we created earlier. On this page, you will need to add a QSM block that will allow you to embed a QSM quiz in your Learndash system. Make sure to update this page, and once done, check out your quiz. As you can see, a fitness quiz has been created. We selected the name and email labels for the contact form, so we will quickly add in some details to start the quiz. Let's quickly take this quiz. And the quiz is done. From the results page, it is evident that you can get personalized results for each and every user using QSM template variables for name, email, and even scores for each quiz taker. This is how you can create quizzes using QSM and Learndash. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.